Eric AY here with another great product review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Holkpoilot puck lights with remote control. They're LED under cabinet lights, under counter lights. You can use them in many different ways. And we're going to try them as under cabinet lights, but I also have another idea for them later on. I do sell these in different quantities. You can buy a 1-pack, a 4-pack, or a 6-pack. I went for the 6-pack because I have some ideas for these, like I said. They're made out of plastic. They switch on and off if you want, manually without a remote. Also, they run on 3 AA batteries each, so they're battery operated. They come with double-sided 3M mounting tape, which is foam. I'm probably gonna just tape them just for now, just to see how they look before I make the final decision to do that. Like I said, I have a couple possible ideas for these. So inside the box, you have the double-sided mounting tape. We have 6 of them, 1 for each puck. We have the 6 actual LED puck lights. And we also have 2 remotes, so it's kind of nice that they gave you 2. Maybe you can mount one somewhere and have another one just to float around and push things. On the remotes, they have a couple different settings here. This is the ultimate brightness. You can go up or down on it. You can have white LED only or yellow LED only, and I'll show you that right now. I'm going to manually put it on just by pushing the white disc here. That is both of them together, white and yellow. That's cool white. And then it's warm, which is the yellow color, if you will. That makes these very versatile, which is why I like these and bought these, because you could have the 2 different types of light. The remote also has dimming to 10%, 40%, 80%, 100%. Has a timer so that you can leave them on for only 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120. Or you just leave it on indefinitely just by pushing on. They also come with a warranty card, also directions. However, I mean, they're pretty easy direction. Once you do mount them, by the way, this will stay there and you just twist them right off when you have to replace batteries. So that is very easily accessible to replace the batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and mount these underneath the cabinets. I'm gonna see what type of lighting we can get with the different settings. We have a pretty nice kitchen here. I know that the LED lights here aren't the best, but they're actually not as blue as it's showing up on camera. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna install some puck lights all around here underneath the cabinet, just to give it a little extra lighting effect and to test these out. We have the puck lights installed, and as you can see, you really can't see them underneath the cabinets at all. So they are very low profile. I only have 4 installed, because that's all I would need. I have an extra 2, but again, I have other ideas for these as well. We're gonna try the remote out, and it has a battery protector here, so we're just gonna pull that out, and we're just gonna turn them on. So let's push the on button. So it took 2 pushes there, except because those are further away. This is a combo, so that would be the white with the yellow. So not bad. 4 definitely does it here. Let's go white light only. Here's cool white only, and obviously not fitting my kitchen as well, especially with these LED lights there, but cool white does work. So that's cool white by itself. Let's try just the warm white, which is more yellowish. And that's what it shows with some yellow light for the under cabinet lights. And the timer functions really is just pushing 10, 30, 60, or 120, and it'll just turn them off after those many minutes. Let's try dimming it. This is 100% right here. Here's 80%, which again, you just switch by pushing 80%. Here's 40%, again with both warm white and cool white at the same time. I know that that looks like it's pulsating over here, but it's really not. It's just because I dimmed it, and with the camera shutter speed, it makes it look like that, but it's actually a steady light. And there's 10% lighting. Again, that's not flickering. That's only flickering because the camera shutter speed. So that's actually a steady light right here. So not bad for under cabinet lighting. We're gonna accent this little cabinet here. I'm gonna stick 1, 2, 3. 1 on each. They look pretty good. Again, I have them temporarily held up with some tape. The double mounting tape would make them go totally flush, but they're not an eyesore. I think that these are awesome even for little cabinet lights. Just another application other than under cabinet lighting. Very, very versatile lighting. Show you that the remote actually does work through the glass. Let's go to white mode only. So that's your white lighting right there. Let's go with warm white, which is more of a yellow color. That's what it looks like right there. And again, if we put them both lights on, I think that's the best of both worlds in this cabinet right now. So overall, really, really good lights to use and very, very versatile. So as I said, they are very versatile. We're gonna put them in this pantry right here. We got 2 on that side, 1 on this side. And you know, it's a little dark in here, but let's say that you need lights for the pantry or a closet. This is a perfect demonstration. That's the brightness with both white and yellow at the same time in this pantry. Again, we can make it just white lights, just cool white, or we can make it warm white, which is more of a yellow color. but it does the job. Excellent lights. And again, you just turn them off with a touch. So you could just go in here, and when you need extra light, just tap on them and you're all good. Finally, this is not even close to done, but this is kind of what I want to use the puck lights for, is I want to highlight things in the corner there. I got to get one in the ceiling there. I just have to get a ladder. You do accent lighting onto pictures on the wall, which is pretty cool. Again, I'm going to have to adjust that. I have some other pictures above the desk as well, so I'll probably put some puck lights here. But you can see that they definitely serve the purpose well. Definitely a good buy. Just going to take some planning on my part. Pros and cons about the Holkpoilot LED puck lights. First off, you're not going to get these if you want permanent wired installation lighting. There's pros and cons to having this approach of LED battery powered lights versus wired. For example, when we use them in the pantry, these are fantastic because you can get them no problem in there. They're highly accessible to replace the batteries, and it's not a place where you can put the lights on and keep them on for hours a day. So same thing with the application that I eventually want to do is basically just put them in my office and let them, and to highlight basically pictures on the wall and the memorabilia on the shelves and stuff. So that's why I got these. Very versatile. You can use them in kitchen, you can use them under cabinet lighting, you can use them in cabinets. I would think that the best application of these lights is in cabinets, something that you're not going to run for hours a day. The reason why you use this though in a long-term application is if you basically don't want to wire. Another pro about these LED puck lights is that you have the warm white and cool white in one whole setting. I will say it does dim obviously because there's only 3 warm white and three cool white LEDs in each puck light, but you can get away with it. As far as kitchen under cabinet lighting, yeah, they work, but are they the best? Probably not. Which brings me to my cons. Again, temporary light source. This isn't meant for long-term installation. You could use it as long-term installation, but you're probably better off just wiring it, hardwiring the lights. Another con about the LED puck lights is that the remote control could be a little bit more sensitive. In other words, it could turn all 6 of them on at a time. I wish it worked for a little bit more of distance, but it will work. You just have to go around pointing it right at each puck light if they don't register the first time. But overall, for the flexibility, for the versatility for these LED puck lights, I would definitely recommend them, especially for my application and for what I said before, cabinets, inside cabinets, not under cabinet lighting, pantries, closets, and also like what I'm going to do, which is basically light up memorabilia and also pictures on my wall. That is my review of the Holkpoilot LED puck lights. Just really think they're really good for what I want to use them for. Again, I left the double stick tape off, so that's going to go on, so we can stick them right on there, no problemo, and that way they won't fall around. Various different versatile applications. These things are great for that. And if you'd like to purchase your Holkpoilot LED puck lights, please look for the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon, where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.